Everyone is talking about AI, prompts, LLMs, ChatGPT, but almost nobody talks about the people who actually understand how these models work and can ship real GenAI applications. That gap is exactly what Nvidia is targeting. They have launched a certification for it, the Nvidia Certified Associate, Generative AI and LLMs, or NCA GENL. And it's quietly becoming one of the most practical entry-level AI certs you can get right now. In this video, I will break down what this certification actually covers, who is this for, how hard it really is, how to prepare, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. So let's go. For those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anna, and I hold more than 100 certifications across AWS, GCP, Azure, Red Hat, Nvidia. In fact, I hold 3 Nvidia certifications, among them the Generative AI and LLMs certification that we are discussing today. So let's go. Why this matters? When most people hear AI, they think chatbots, image generators, copilots, cool toys. Behind that, what really matters is understanding how LLMs actually work, knowing how to use them effectively in real workflows, being able to design GenAI-powered solutions that don't fall apart in production, because AI without understanding is just copy-pasting prompts. What is the Nvidia NCA GENL certification? This certification validates that you understand the foundations of generative AI and LLMs using Nvidia's ecosystem. By passing it, you prove you know generative AI fundamentals and common use cases, how LLMs work at a high level, training, inference, tokens, context, core prompt engineering techniques, LLM behavior, risk and limitations like hallucinations, where Nvidia's stack fits, GPUs, platforms, and tooling around GenAI. The exam specs. The exam takes 60 minutes. It's a multiple choice exam with 50 to 60 questions. You can do it online. It's remotely proctored. And the level is entry-level associate. There's no coding required. And it costs $125 and it's valid for 2 years. This is not a hardcore machine learning research exam. You're not training models from scratch. You are showing solid conceptual understanding of modern GenAI systems. Who is this certification for? This cert is a great fit if you are a DevOps cloud engineer moving into AI and LLM infra, a software engineer exploring GenAI features for apps, for data machine learning beginners who wants a structured intro, for product and tech professionals working with AI teams, or anyone who has done prompting but wants a proper foundation. Think of this certification as a gateway cert into Nvidia's AI ecosystem and GenAI roles. What topics are covered? The exam focuses on 4 big buckets: the GenAI and LLM fundamentals, transformers, tokens, embeddings, RAG basics, training versus inference, latency versus cost trade-offs. Second, prompt engineering, zero shot, few shot, chain of thought, system versus user prompts, guardrails. Third, model behavior and limitations, hallucinations, bias, context limits, how to mitigate failure modes in real use cases. Fourth, NVIDIA ecosystem and deployment basics, where NVIDIA GPUs, platforms, and SDKs fit in the GenAI stack. Important information. In this cert, there is very little math and no coding challenges. It's about understanding and applying concepts, not writing PyTorch from scratch. How hard it is? I would rate it as beginner to moderate. If you're completely new to AI, you will need focused study. If you already follow AI news and have some cloud and engineering background, it's very doable. Expect scenario-style questions like, which prompt technique is best for this task? Why is the model hallucinating in this scenario? What's the best GenAI approach for this use case? It tests how you think with LLMs, not just whether you memorize definitions. And this is how I prepared. I started with this course from Udemy, the Nvidia GenAI and LLMs from Ashish Prajapati, that it's 9.5 hours long. And after completing it, I went to do practice exams. So I did this one that includes 100 questions from as well Ashish Prajapati, and this one from alcoholic.io that contains 200 questions. And I think that with these resources, you should be able to pass this certification on your first try. What do you gain? After passing this exam, you get an official Nvidia certification in generative AI and LLMs, and this is a nice signal on your CV and LinkedIn. A proof that you understand GenAI fundamentals beyond I use ChatGPT. A stronger story for roles like entry-level AI engineer, LLM engineer, GenAI-aware DevOps/platform/SRE, or product PM working on AI features. Salary Service put entry-level GenAI LLM roles comfortably above many traditional dev roles, especially when paired with strong cloud skills. So, is it worth it? My honest take: Yes, if you want a structured vendor-backed path into GenAI, care about understanding LLMs, not just using chatbots, plan to work with Nvidia GPUs or AI platforms anyway, and maybe not, if you only care about hardcore machine learning research, then you will outgrow this quickly. Want a pure coding-heavy exam? This one is more conceptual. As an entry point into serious GenAI work, this certification is one of the highest ROI first certs you can take right now. So, final thoughts? AI isn't just about typing into ChatGPT. It's about understanding how these models work when they fail and how to design better systems around them. The Nvidia NCA GENL certification is a solid way to prove you have made that shift from user to builder. So the last question is, are you thinking about taking this exam? And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.